Studies showed that over 40% of what you do every day isn't a decision, it's a habit. So here's the scary question. If your habits are running your life, who's really in control? Today, I'm sharing one habit that quietly fixes almost everything: stress, procrastination, lack of focus, low confidence, and most people are completely ignoring it. This isn't motivation, it's not a discipline hack, and it's not another wake up at 5 a.m. lie. This habit is so small it feels insignificant, but once you understand it, you'll realize why most people feel stuck no matter how hard they try. Problem: why most people feel stuck. Let's talk about the real problems people face. Is it constant stress? You're always overwhelmed, not because you have too much to do, but because your brain doesn't trust you to finish anything. Some people suffer from procrastination. You delay things, not because you're lazy, but because starting feels emotionally heavy. Others lack focus. Your mind jumps from idea to idea because nothing feels grounded. Most people have low confidence. Not loud insecurity, like quiet self-doubt, the kind that whispers, "I don't really follow through anyway." Here's the truth nobody tells you. These problems don't come from lack of ability. They come from broken self-trust. The real cause: deep insight. Every time you say, "I'll start tomorrow, I'll wake up early, I'll stop doing this, I'll be consistent," and you don't do that, your brain learns one thing. My words don't mean anything, not consciously, but subconsciously. So when it's time to act, your brain hesitates. Why? Because experience has taught it not to believe you. This is why. Motivation doesn't last, affirmations feel fake, discipline feels exhausting. You're trying to build a house on broken trust. How bad habits show up daily. Let me show you what this actually looks like. In the morning, the alarm goes off. You don't jump up, you stare at the ceiling. Not tired, just heavy. Your phone is already in your hand, you scroll before your feet touch the floor. Somewhere in your mind, there's a quiet thought, "I should get up." But nothing moves. You tell yourself 5 more minutes. You've said that before. Late morning, you're finally up. The day has started without you. There's something you are meant to do. You open it, close it, then you open another app. Your body is here, but your attention is not. Every few minutes you think, "I'll start in a bit," but the "a bit" never arrives. In the afternoon, you feel behind, even though no one said you were late. Your chest feels tight. Not panic, but pressure. You watch other people move with purpose, posting, building, progressing. You tell yourself, "I'm capable too." But the words feel thin. In the evening, the day is almost over. You replay moments you wasted, not dramatically, just quietly. You promise yourself, "Tomorrow I'll be different." You believe it a little, enough to sleep. Then at night, the lights are off, but your phone still glows in the dark because you are back to social media. That promise you made this morning, it's already broken, not with failure, but with delay. And your brain files it away again, "Not today." That's the loop. Not chaos, not disaster, just small daily betrayals that teach your mind not to listen to you anymore. And the scariest part, it feels normal. Now imagine what happens when that loop breaks. Not with motivation, but with one kept promise. Long-term effects, emotional turn. If this problem continues unchecked, this leads to chronic anxiety, quiet depression, feeling behind in life, watching others pass you. The scary part isn't failure, it's getting used to disappointing yourself. And once that becomes normal, you stop aiming high, not because you don't want more, but because hope feels risky. Here's the habit that fixes 90% of these problems. Keep promises to yourself, especially small ones. That's it, not big goals. Not dramatic changes, but small, boring, daily promises kept. Examples. You promise to work out for an hour and fail, you hurt yourself. If you promise to do 1 push-up and actually do it, you heal yourself. It sounds stupidly small, but the brain only counts the win, not the size of the task. You say, "I'll read 1 page," and actually you read 1 page. "I'll walk for 5 minutes." You actually walk. "I'll stop when I say stop." You actually stop as you said you would. Every kept promise tells your brain, "I am reliable." And reliability creates focus, confidence, discipline, calm. not motivation, identity. Why this habit works, science plus logic. Your brain rewards consistency, not intensity. When you keep promises, your dopamine stabilizes, your decision fatigue drops, your stress reduces, your self-respect grows. You don't rise to your goals, but you fall to the level of trust you have in yourself. That's why people who do less often go further. How to apply it, practical framework. Rule 1. Make promises uncomfortably small. If it feels impressive, it's too big. Rule 2. Never renegotiate in the moment. Your brain will try. Don't argue. Just act. Before I tell you about the identity shift, pause this video. Comment below, what is the one tiny promise you will make to yourself today? Lock it in. Rule 3. Miss once, reset immediately. No shame spirals. No I've failed stories. Self-trust is built like muscle. Missed reps don't kill progress, quitting does. Before I tell you about the identity shift, pause this video. Comment below, what is the one tiny promise you will make to yourself today? Lock it in. Identity shift. The most dangerous person in the room isn't the most talented, it's the one who keeps their word to themselves. Because they don't need motivation. They don't need hype. They move when they decide to move. That's freedom. Most life problems come from broken self-trust. Broken self-trust comes from unkept promises. One habit fixes it, and that's keeping small promises to yourself daily. This creates focus, confidence, peace, and momentum. Comment below. What's one small promise you'll keep today? And if this video hit you, watch the next one on the screen. It breaks down how to rebuild your life without burning out. Click the subscribe button and see you in my next video.